Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making a mafia type game. If anyone was wondering what a mafia game is, this is it. It's where one player is a murderer, a doctor, and a detective. The rest of the players are campers, and they have to vote out the murderer before everyone is killed. The game plan. My plan is to make a queuing system, make a role system, make a minigame system, and the start of the game. Now, let's get into it. The first thing I made was the map and queuing system, which I usually save the map for last, but I needed to get a good feel for the style of the game. This is the queuing system. It works by having a variable assigned to a number, and it goes up and down depending on how many people you have in the queue. If you press exit, it teleports you out of the queue and the variable goes down. Then it starts a countdown when the variable is equal to a number of players, and it teleports you to a new place. With the first task done, now I have to start making the place where they teleport to and the role system. Let's get into it. Here's the map I made. As you can see, we are in a forest. There's a campfire in the middle with logs that players will sit on. Nothing is scripted yet, but that's the map. Since I have the map done, I just need to start programming the system, so when you join, you sit on a log and you get a role. This is a finished seating system. I'm not going to bore you with the details, but it makes you sit down and makes it so you always are rotated to the fire while you can't move around. Now, all I have to make for this is the role system, so let's start. And this is the role system. There are 4 roles: murderer, doctor, detective, and camper. The system goes through each player and gives them a role. If they have 2 roles, it resets them, and there can only be 1 role of each besides for camper. Everything is going to plan. I just have to do one more thing, and that is making the minigame. The minigame is going to be like the first fish minigame, but you click sticks and that's it. And you try and get as much as you can in the time limit. That's my plan for now. I just have to start making it. Before we continue, I just want to thank you for being here. This is a new experience for me using my voice, and that's it. So let's get back to the video. This is a minigame I made. You click on the sticks and it increases a number. I did have plans for having 3 or 4 minigames, but I only have this one because the rest were going to be really boring or make no sense. So, the way this minigame works is by having a random X and Y value in the area I want it and putting a stick there. When I press the stick, it goes away and spawns another one. And increasing the value, you can add or subtract how many sticks you have by adding 1 line of code, and it automatically updates. This is a really fun minigame in my opinion, and it was really fun to make. This game was very fun to make, and I had a great time, but I don't know if I'm going to finish the game, because I suffered from massive burnout when making the game, and I just can't find the motivation to get started again. But I will make a part 2 if this video gets 100 likes. Thank you for watching, subscribe to me, and join my Discord server where you can talk to me and some other people. Bye!